Hi, this is Janvi Panchal and I'm back again at Stop Expecting, Start Exploring. So today I'm going to tell you a story about Adalajni Vav, which is also known as Adalat Stepwell. It is located in Gandhinagar area. Now this stepwell was built by a lot of sacrifice, love, commitment, saving the Hinduism and a lot more. Now this stepwell was built by Rani Rudabai. She is also known as Rani Roopmati. She was the wife of King Rana Veer Singh Waghela, and she was the most beautiful in the Dandai Desh and in Adalaj village as well. Now she and King Rana Veer Singh Waghela, they both decided to make this stepwell for the welfare of the people, and so that when the people are traveling across, they can have some water, they can rest in some cool place as well, and that is why they built for this well. So Rani Rudabai was very gorgeous. She was astounding, and but she was beauty with brains. Now one day, King Muhammad Begra. Now Begra is known for because he had conquered over two mountains. That is, one was Junagadh, the second was Pavagadh, and that's why he is known as Begra. That is two. And once Muhammad Begra, he is a Muslim leader. He came and he saw Rani Roopmati, and he decided to give a marriage proposal to her. But then he thought that being Rana Veer Singh alive, I can't do that. So he defeated Rana Veer Singh Waghela, and he also conquered his territory as well. Now, after the death of Rana Veer Singh Waghela, Muhammad Begra decided to give a marriage proposal, and he gave to Rani Rudabai. Now, Rani Rudabai, she was very intellectual, and she decided and she put the condition in front of Muhammad Begra that she wanted to complete the step well. So, if Muhammad Begra agrees to complete this step well, then she would marry him. Now the construction started, and Muhammad Begra also agreed to her condition, and he started all the construction of the stepwell as well. And they finally planned the stepwell out, and they built this stepwell, and it completed in the 15th century. Well, this vow was started in 1499. The construction was started in 1499, and it completed in the 15th century. What had happened is that Rana Veer Singh Waghela started this well, the construction of this well, and that is why it started. He was a Hindu leader, and Muhammad Begra continued and he completed it. That is why he was a Muslim leader. So that is why it is known as Indo-Islamic structure, because it was started first by the Hindu leader, and it was completed by a Muslim leader, right? So that is why it is known as Indo-Islamic structure. So Adalajni Vav is one of the famous stepwell all over Gujarat, and it is the most number one. I think we should all visit it, and it is pure because it is written in the Swaminarayan sect. Now the construction of the stepwell was completed, and Rana Muhammad Begra, he reminded Rani Rudabai about the marriage proposal. Now, when Rani Rudabai was reminded of his marriage proposal, now it is written in Swaminarayan sect that before jumping into the well, Rani Roopba, she convinced and she requested the saints to have a bath in the well, so that the well is purified, and the whole of the step well construction and the place is purified, and it remains sacred. And that is why today as well, when she convinced the saints, they all did it, and she jumped off to the step well, and that sacrifice she gave of because of Rana Veer Singh Waghela, she gave because of the village people, she gave because of Hinduism, to save Hinduism, and she gave because of the love, and she gave because of in Hindu and in Hindi we tell that Pati Vrata Stri. So that is what it is, intricately carved, and it is very much great to see once in life. And Muhammad Begra lastly asked the engineers that they going to build a second stepwell if they are convinced or they are requested. All the engineers said yes, and there were 7 engineers, and Muhammad Begra killed because he didn't want to replicate this a step well to build again, and all the coffins are there after after the step well ends, and it is behind the step well, so one could also see those things. And the history is great. Today's generation, we talk about love, we talk about commitment, but then I don't think so people do follow it. I think getting inspired or getting motivated by storybooks or love story movies or anything else, I think we should take motivation from our roots only, because that is where our roots lie. And our roots teaches us something new, right? Every day, every time, it teaches us something new. And this great story of love, commitment for the people, for the husband, for this Hinduism is really great. And if one sacrifices, हम सिर्फ बोल सकते हैं कि हम ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे, but actually doing it needs strength. And that is what Ronnie Rudabai did. And that is why she lives in our heart, and she lives in our heart every time, right? And you can visit that step well, and every time you visit that step well, you explore something new. And that is what my experience speaks. Because lastly, 7 May 2020 पाटोत्सव है अडालज में, हमारे कुल देवी का। आप सबको मेरी और मेरी फैमिली की तरफ से आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। एंड स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे सेफ, डोंट गो आउट ऑफ योर हाउसेस unless and until it is important for you to go out. I'll be back with some amazing videos. Till then, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video. Please do comment on the comment box how did you like this video, and also share your recommendations as well. Thank you so much.